Have you ever tried to prove that a piece of information actually exists inside a massive digital library without reading the whole thing yourself? This is the core challenge of Retrieval-Augmented Generation, or RAG. When we use artificial intelligence to search through documents, we first break those documents into smaller pieces called chunks. Imagine a long book chopped into pages. In our system, each chunk contains 256 tokens, where every token is 16 bits long. This makes each chunk exactly 4096 bits. Now, we want to prove this retrieval process is honest using zero-knowledge proofs. To do this, we must represent our data using math in a finite field. Think of a finite field like a clock that only has a certain number of hours. Our specific field, called BN254, can only hold 254 bits at a time. This creates a problem. Our 4096-bit chunk is way too large to fit into one field element. To solve this, we split each chunk into 18 smaller pieces. Proving that these pieces exist in our database is expensive. Imagine looking up a word in a dictionary. You find the page, then the column, then the row. In a proof, you have to verify every single step of that search individually. If you have 18 pieces, you are repeating the same index lookup 18 times. This creates massive redundancy because you are proving the same location over and over again. It is like showing your passport 18 times just to walk through one door. This is where vector lookup changes everything. Instead of proving 18 separate lookups, we combine all 18 pieces into one single vector. Now, we perform one check for the entire bundle. It is like combining those 18 passport checks into a single master key that opens the door in one motion. By consolidating these lookups, we remove the massive overhead of individual verification. Because vector lookup makes it cheap to handle large chunks, we can go even further. We start merging smaller chunks into mega chunks. Think of this like combining 18 individual pages into one thick chapter. This drastically reduces the total number of items the system has to track. If you had 400,000 chunks, merging them might bring you down to 100,000. This makes every phase of retrieval, from calculating distances to selecting the top results, significantly faster. VeriRAG brings three main innovations to this process. First, it enables verification that is compatible with approximate nearest neighbor search. Second, it allows us to verify the top results of a search. Third, it uses vector lookup and chunk merging to make the whole process efficient. When we put this into practice, the results are powerful. For a database of 37 gigabytes, we can generate a proof in 96 seconds. Verifying that proof takes only 3 seconds, and the resulting file is just over 5 megabytes. By rethinking how we verify data, we turn a slow, redundant process into a streamlined system that scales. You now have the tools to prove that even the largest digital archives are being searched with absolute integrity. Generate your own educational videos for free at eduvids.app.